In today's video, I'll teach you how to add or change bio in UpScrolled app. So first of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to add or change the bio, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. If you have added the bio, it will be displayed over here. So if you want to add or change the bio, tap on this option edit profile that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to edit the profile informations. Right over here under the option for name, you'll be able to find this option for bio. So what you have to do is tap on it. If you have already added the bio, it will be displayed over here. In that case, what you have to do is erase the initial bio. After that, you'll be able to enter the new bio. Like this, you'll be able to change it. If you want to add the bio, what you have to do is simply enter your bio over here. You can see over here, you can enter up to 160 characters. Now after you do that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, tap on the done icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen again. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the profile has been updated successfully. Your bio has been added. So that is how you add or change bio in UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.